Eliminator. This one's called She Got Me Under Pressure. Lipstick. She likes French cuisine.
Pre-start checklist.
Pre-start checklist. Control lock.
Off. Off.
Parking brake.
Set.
Handles.
In.
Emergency fuel switches.
Normal.
Emergency pumps.
Off.
Fuel selector.
Normal.
Boost pumps.
Off.
Static source.
Normal.
Fan.
Off.
Inverter switch.
Select 1 or 2.
Transponder code 0102.
Selected.
De-icing switches.
Off.
Cabin lighting and signs.
Set.
Beacon.
On.
Bleed air switches.
Off. Off.
Heater heat.
Off.
Generator switches.
Off.
Bus tie switch.
Normal.
Flap handle.
Up.
Fuel levers.
Off.
Propeller levers.
Full forward.
Power levers.
Off.
Windshield heat.
Off.
Wipers.
Off.
Landing lights.
Off.
Ignition switch.
Normal.
DC master.
On.
Battery switch.
Battery. Check.
Bus voltage.
Check.
Caution lights.
Check.
Fire detection.
Test.
Fire bell.
On then off.
Fuel quantity.
Check.
Fuel indicators.
Testing.
Restart. Checklist complete.
Full engine start.
Confirm engine start.
Yep.
Many things.
What about the fuel figure, Captain? Refueling operation has been initiated. The requested fuel quantity should be aboard now, Captain.
After engine start checklist.
After engines start checklist. Compass and gyros.
Check.
Caution lights.
Check.
Altimeter.
Set.
After engines start checklist complete.
Thank you. Tower Kiwi 231 for
My pleasure.
ATC clearance to Milford Sound as filed.
Kiwi 231 cleared to November Zulu Mike Foxtrot. I've published departure procedures then. As filed, climb to altitude 4,000 feet. Squawk 2327.
Squawk
Departure
2327.
frequency 126
Transponder
decimal
code
5.
2327.
Roger, cleared as filed. Climb and maintain 4,000. Squawk 2327. Kiwi 231.
Com1 radio switch to clearance delivery.
You're ready.
Yeah, my radio then.
Kiwi 231. Feedback correct.
Kiwi 231, clear to push, start at your discretion. Contact ground when you're ready, on 118.4.
Roger, cleared to push and start. Kiwi 231. You're ready.
Okay, I have the radio.
Got it.
Taxi checklist.
Taxi checklist.
Ground, Kilo 231
Is with you.
Sign
16.
Request.
Taxi, runway 16.
Kiwi 231, ground, taxi holding point, runway 16, QNH 1023.
Runway 16, QNH 1023, Kilo 231.
As required.
Brakes.
Check.
Steering.
Check.
Gyros.
Check.
Taxi checklist complete.
I don't know what you're doing. Good lord, no, what have you done?
Jesus, I dare not think what may have happened to that poor mechanic. Runway and heading confirmed. Navigation lights on. Strobe lights turned on. Emergency lights armed. Flight control.
Yes, go ahead.
Transponder on.
Hi, Captain. Cabin is ready for takeoff.
Yes, thanks for that.
Clear on that.
Clear for runway entry. Okay, I will.
Kiwi 231, contact tower 120.0.
Tower on 120.0, Kilo 231. Tower, Kilo 231.
Ready for departure.
Runway 16.
Kiwi 231, roger. Kiwi 231, tower, runway 16, line up and wait.
Runway 16.
Roger.
Kilo 231.
Kiwi 231, winds call, runway 16, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff. Kilo 231.
Before takeoff check.
Before takeoff checklist. Trim tabs.
Set.
Flaps.
10 degrees.
Flight instruments.
Check.
Nav com radios.
Set.
Propeller levers.
Full forward.
Auto feather.
On.
Select light.
On.
Engine instruments.
Check.
Bleed air left and right.
As required.
DIs.
As required.
Before takeoff. Checklist complete.
Line up checklist.
Checklist. Flight controls.
Free.
Not sure you checked that.
Check.
Please check status again.
3.
Is the item really as you state?
Yes. Skip item.
Item is skipped, just as you wanted on transponder.
On.
Transponder on.
On.
Transponder on.
Check.
I expect your reply to be on now. Set landing lights.
On.
Strobe light now. Set caution lights.
As appropriate. Check.
Runway and heading.
Check.
Checklist complete.
Power set.
Take off power set. Acceleration confirmed. $80 knots.
80 knots.
V1 rotate. V2.
Climb power.
Climb power. Power.
QE231, contact departure 126.5.
Over to departure 126.5. Departure Kilo 231
Is with you, leaving
1,200 feet or 4,000 feet.
QE231, departure, radar contact, larger, altitude 10,000 feet.
Climb to altitude 10,000 feet. Kilo 231.
set flight level 100.
Selecting flight level 100.
Speed mode now.
Speed mode switched on.
Synchronize heading.
Heading synchronized.
Heading mode now.
Heading mode armed.
Heading mode out.
Heading mode already active now.
Synchronize heading.
Heading synchronized.
Autopilot on.
Confirm autopilot 1.
Yes.
Great. Autopilot already selected off.
There's a way to emulate the quality wings jump ahead feature. You probably already know it. A little cheat.
One 9.2. New Zealand control Kilo 231 at 10,000 feet.
Kiwi 231, New Zealand control, roger.
New Zealand control Kilo 231 needs to leave frequency to get weather.
Kiwi 231, report back up within 4 minutes. In-flight be just met wind 005, add 2, visibility 10 kilometers or more, sky clear, temperature 16, dew point 12, QNH 1019er.
New Zealand control Kilo 231 backup.
Kiwi 231, roger, thank you. Kiwi 231, Kiwi 231, Northern advisory. The pilot must assume responsibility for obstruction clearance for arrivals into this airport. Remain not less than 1,000 feet above or aside from terrain at all times. Kiwi 231, contact, approach 124.8.
Approach on 124.8. Approach Kilo 231
Is with you, leaving
9,000 feet or 10,000 feet.
Kiwi 231, approach, vectors to the runway 29er.
Runway
9er.
Kilo 231. Approach Kilo 231.
Request the full VOR Alpha.
Runway
9er.
2. Approach.
Kiwi 231, when able, maintain 7,000 feet until the initial clear of the full VOR Alpha, runway 29er, approach.
Roger. 7,000 feet until established. Cleared the full VOR Alpha.
Runway
9er.
2. Approach Kilo 231.
Kiwi 231, QNH 1019er. Kiwi 231, radar service terminated, cancel live tower on the air or on the ground through flight service station, change advisory frequency is approved, good day.
101.
9er.
Kilo 231.
Roger.
Kilo 231. $500 feet. Minimums.
Landing.
Landing confirmed. Continue.
Flaps up.
Flaps coming up. Flap.
Shut down. Shut down.
Shut down. Radios off. Taxi. Lights off. Parking brake set. Thrust lever idle. Generator 1 off. Generator 2 disarmed. Shutting down the engine 1. Engine shutdown 2.
Item
Just give me a moment. Yeah, listening, Captain. You're welcome to release the brakes.
Wind
Item
40 at 6 knots.
Yeah, the door is now open.
Avionics turned off. Beacon lights switched off. Battery off. DC master disarmed.
Go ahead.
Captain, all slides are disarmed.
Okay, you can let some fresh air in. Go ahead and open the doors now.
Okay, we've got it. Thanks.
Now, are you bored with flight sims? Then you need a real aircraft, a real simulation. No more expensive add-ons that are computers flying your PC. Have you lost the thrill of a challenge you once had in Flight Simulator? You need to look at the following aircraft, because this is a simulation. Everything in this aircraft is true. Everything is accurately done. No more flying on rails. No more cartoon cockpits. This aircraft has a photoreal cockpit. The aircraft has depth, and it is one of the best, in my opinion, one of the best simulated aircraft on any platform. This is for people who can fly or who want to learn. Now then, want more now? Okay. We have rain effects on the cockpit canopy. We have icing effects on the canopy. Icing effects means airframe, and icing effects model to the full on the carburetor. Have to set the car beat correctly in icing conditions, or it will start to run rough and then stop. Because this aircraft is a full damage model, you have to treat it with respect as if it's your own aircraft. You have to take ownership of this aircraft. You own it, and it's yours. The Wasp Junior radial engine starts by the door. Listen to that. Absolutely superb. Look at that detail. So if you want the thrill and challenge of flying in a simulation, once again, Ant's aircraft Windjill, which is Aboriginal for Little Eagle, is for you. I was getting bored with the same old 737, 777, 787, computer flying a computer on rails with some cartoon cockpits. And then I found this, and you can see this is photorealistic. But more to the point, the aircraft remembers how you treat it. If you abuse this aircraft, it will bite you. You have to fly it, you have to care for it, you have to look after it, just as you would if it was your very own. And that's what I like. Ownership. Oh, speaking of which, you don't need a mortgage for this aircraft. You can buy it, just fly it. £12. How about? You can rest assured I'll be putting some more hours in on this aircraft, and I hope you'll come and join me. After all, there are 4 seats in the Windjill. Bye for now. Take care.